Hi guys, so today we'll be trying out this super potent hair tea recipe. This tea has some of our favorite ingredients that are easy to find and very powerful, so stay tuned. The first ingredient we'll be using in this hair tea are cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. We have used cloves in a variety of our hair oils and hair teas and seen immense results in our hair growth journey. Today, we'll be using just 2 tablespoons of cloves. The second ingredient we'll be using in this hair tea are fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. The seeds are also known to moisturize your hair and bring back luster and bounce. Fenugreek seeds are also known to fight dandruff and to condition your hair. Today we'll be using 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. The third ingredient we'll be adding to this hair tea are rosemary leaves. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. It also protects the hair from damage and hair loss. It treats a variety of scalp issues from dry scalp to psoriasis, and we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. The fourth ingredient we'll be adding to this super potent hair tea are hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus is widely used in India for hair teas and hair oils. And hibiscus is known to improve the buildup of keratin in your hair and boost the formation of new hair follicles, thereby stimulating hair growth. It's also known to prevent baldness by influencing regrowth of dormant hair follicles. It also brings forth a number of benefits like it reduces shedding, it moisturizes your hair, it detangles your hair and makes your hair stronger. Now, the last ingredient we'll be adding in is rice. Rice water is well known to reduce shedding and increase hair growth. It contains amino acids which help to regenerate and aid hair growth. It also contains vitamins B, C, and E which further help to aid hair growth. It detangles your hair, it makes your hair stronger, shinier, and smoother. Now that we've added all our ingredients in, now let's get boiling. Once your herbs and ingredients have been added in, mix everything in and allow to boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can switch off your stove and allow your hair tea to cool down. We then transferred our hair tea into a jar to allow it to steep more for a couple more hours. You can leave your hair tea in the jar if it's being used for a hair rinse. However, you can transfer it into a spray bottle if it's being used as a hairspray. This super potent hair growth tea will help stimulate hair growth, treat baldness, heal dandruff and itchiness, reduce hair shedding and condition your hair. Once you've transferred your hair tea into a clean bottle, now it is ready for use. These ingredients are powerful because they are packed with a variety of nutrients and vitamins to transform your hair. Now, if you're wondering how to use it, this hair tea can be used as a hair rinse and poured over your hair on your wash day. It can also be used as a hairspray. If you evenly part your hair in sections, you can apply the hairspray onto the scalp and the body of your hair and gently massage it in. Now, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this super potent hair tea. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!